Hi everyone. We're going to show you a quick and easy project you guys can do at home to make your own face mask and headband, because sometimes these can hurt your ears on the side a little bit and get annoying, but they have this nice headband to match your face mask. And you can start with any type of fabric. Right here I have two different kinds. I'm going to make these blue ones next as well. Get some buttons. I got some mixed buttons here. You want a sewing kit, something quick at home. I bought these little roses that I can add on. Just regular hair ties. I like to use the ones that do not have the metal in the back. These ones are better, so that way you don't have that metal in the way. You want a permanent marker and a pair of scissors, okay? Square fabric. What I did was I folded it up here. That way you don't see any of the edges where you cut it and it looks fringy. Then I folded it in half on top, and I'm gonna fold this down here. So now it has like a little bit of that fold. You're gonna wanna fold it again one more time. This is to make those creases here in the front. So that way when you put the mask on, you can adjust it and make it wider on your face or more smaller. So you're gonna want that. That's very important. This is just a different way to do it. You can do it the other way while you just fold it once and the front mask is just like this. But this one's a little bit more convenient and better. So now you're gonna take the rubber band and you're gonna put it right here on the sides. You're gonna do all the same on this side here. And this is where you tuck it in. And now you're gonna sew right along this line here. You can hold it just like this, so that way it's easier for you to go in and out with the needle. Buttons right where your temples would be. So you wanna try the headband on, and once you try the headband on, you can take this permanent marker here, and you're gonna point and point, and then you will take it off of your head, and then you're gonna sew the buttons on like this. Very simple, just in and out movement. So I did this one 3 times, and I did this one 3 times as well. I used 2 different buttons because I wanted to look a little different. And now we're gonna sew this right here.